Hi, Dave Weber here. I want to show you how to set up your follow-up messages in the lead capture system. Now, this is mostly an automated process, and all you're going to have to do is simply enter your contact information in a form, then click a button to add it to your pre-written messages. So let me show you how easy this is. Now, to get to your lead capture system, you want to start by clicking on this button up here that says Reseller Tools. And come on down here on the left side to where it says Lead Capture System and click on it. Once you get here, click on this button that says click here to enter your contact details for your emails. And once you click on this, a form will pop open that you need to fill out. As you can see, I've got it pre-filled out for example purposes. From the first line, go ahead and put your name in there. Next line, put your reply to email. Make sure that's an account that you monitor on a regular basis. Put your cell phone number in here so that anybody signs up and get a hold of you by text or call you. If you got a Facebook page, go ahead and grab the URL out of the address bar up there and paste it in right here. It's your Facebook ID. If you don't have a Facebook page, don't worry about putting anything in here. Another good way to communicate is with Skype. So if you got a Skype account, go ahead and put your Skype ID right here. Again, if you don't have one, don't put anything in there. Once you get all this in, click the update button. And what this will do is it'll automatically add your contact information to all the pre-written follow-up messages that are already in here for you. To get to those, you come here where it says message, click on follow-up, and this will bring you to your follow-up messages. And right here you'll see this is for the Amazing campaign, and there's 5 follow-up messages already pre-written for you and loaded up. One thing you want to make sure is the first one's set at 0. That means it'll go out immediately after somebody opts in, and the rest are set at 1 day after the other. Now, start off with, go over here to the edit button right here, click on this to get into your follow-up message. Now when you get in here, make sure again right here at the top, make sure send after, the first one's set to 0 and the rest are set to 1. And then what you want to do with your subject line and the text in the body of this email is you want to change it about 20% to kind of personalize it. A good example is right up here in the subject line, I'm just going to add congratulations on joining the Now Lifestyle team. So it's really easy to edit the subject line and so forth. Go ahead and put something in there and then move on down into the body of the text. And down here some good examples is right here it should have your name. You could add your last name just to personalize it a little more. Right here you could put hey, I'm your direct upline. You could put something like I am your sponsor and coach here at Now Lifestyle. I'm having a blast. So I think you get the idea. Just go in here, you can delete a whole sentence if you want, or change this as much as you want, but do at least 20%. Look for any formatting that you need to edit. This one, got to backspace this a little bit. And then right here, you'll see that, here's your contact information that you put in on the form. Your phone number should be right here. And then right here, if you put a Skype address ID in, it should be right here. Now, if you didn't put a Skype ID in or a Facebook URL, be sure you delete these 2 lines here so you don't have a blank space there. And then come on down the bottom, make sure everything looks good. I'm just going to backspace this real quickly. And that's basically all you need to do on each one of these follow-up messages. Once you get done with that, you don't need to do anything down here where it says this text message. Click on the edit button, which is the same as save. And once you do that, to check it, just come on back over here to message, click on follow-up, and it'll bring you back to the list of all your follow-up messages. And right here you can see that there's the text Now Lifestyle that I added to that subject line, so it's definitely changed. What you want to do now is go into your next follow-up message, click on the edit button, and go and do the same thing to it. Check the formatting, spelling, change the text about 20% in your subject line and the body of it, and then click the edit button on the bottom for saving it. Once you get those all done, come up here to your drop-down menu and set up a couple other campaigns. I'd go for the free customer campaign next, and then probably the webinar funnel. The whole idea is to get your follow-up messages all set up so that it doesn't matter which lead capture page you use, that your follow-up emails will go out automatically when somebody opts in. So as you can see, this is really simple to do. So go ahead and set up your lead capture system now. And once you get this done, you'll be ready for the next step.